Good evening, everyone. I hope all of you are fine. I'm here with the last topic of the tenses, that is future perfect continuous tense. It is used to show that an activity will be in progress over a period of time in the future. For example, she will have been making a call to her friend for 1 hour. They will have been performing in the concert for 4 hours. I will have been waiting for my friend since 2 p.m. He will have been attending the seminar for 1 hour. The computer will have been working properly since 1 o'clock. Helping verbs for this tense are will have been and shall have been. And Urdu identification is this, that at the end of Urdu sentences we will have raha hoga, rahe honge, rahi hogi plus time is must. And for identifying the time we use since and for. Since is used for exact point of time and for is used for duration or period of time. Further, moving on to the sentence structure of positive sentences, that is subject plus will, shall have plus been plus verb ing plus object and since and for. For example, she will have been living in this house since 2014. वो 2014 से इस घर में रह रही होगी. They will have been waiting for the teacher for 2 hours. वो 2 घंटे से उस्ताद का इंतज़ार कर रहे होंगे. I will have been studying since morning. मैं सुबह से पढ़ रही होंगी. He will have been attending the class for 4 hours. वो 4 घंटे से जमात ले रहा होगा. Now negative sentence structure, subject plus will, shall not plus have been plus verb ing, object and since for. Examples are she will not have been playing since morning. वो सुबह से नहीं खेल रही होगी. They will not have been studying for 2 hours. वो 2 घंटे से नहीं पढ़ रहे होंगे. You will not have been responding since Monday. आप पीर से जवाब नहीं दे रही होंगी. I will not have been reading for 20 minutes. मैं 20 मिनट से नहीं पढ़ रही होंगी. Now sentence structure for positive interrogative sentences is will, shall plus subject plus have been plus verb ing plus object, since for and question mark. Will she have been working on the project since 2022? क्या वो 2022 से प्रोजेक्ट पर काम कर रही होगी? Will they have been arranging the party for 1 day? क्या वो एक दिन से तकरीब के इंतज़ामात कर रहे होंगे? Will he have been playing guitar for 4 years? क्या वो 4 सालों से गिटार बजा रहा होगा? Now negative interrogative sentence structure is will, shall plus subject plus not have been plus verb ing, object, since for and question mark. For example, will she not have been completing the assignment since Monday? Will they not have been appearing for the exam for 2 years? क्या वो 2 साल से इम्तिहान नहीं दे रहे होंगे? Will my brother not have been traveling since 2 a.m.? क्या मेरा भाई सुबह के 2 बजे से सफ़र नहीं कर रहा होगा? Now positive information questions, WH word plus will, shall, subject, have been, present participle verb ing, object, since for, question mark. Examples are why will she have been waiting for her friend for 4 hours? वो अपनी दोस्त का 4 घंटों से क्यों इंतज़ार कर रही होगी? Where will they have been working since 2019? वो 2019 से कहाँ काम कर रहे होंगे? How will they have been performing since 2 a.m.? वो सुबह के 2 बजे से कैसे काम कर रहे होंगे? Negative information questions, WH word, will, shall, subject, not have been, verb ing, object, since for, question mark. Why will she not have been preparing for exams since 4 o'clock? वो 4 बजे से क्यों इम्तिहान की तैयारी नहीं कर रही होगी? Why will they not have been enjoying the party since evening? वो शाम से तकरीब से लुत्फ़अंदोज़ क्यों नहीं हो रहे होंगे? Why will they not have been completing the assignment for 2 weeks? वो 2 हफ्ते से अपना काम क्यों मुकम्मल नहीं कर रहे होंगे? Where will he not have been going since 1 p.m.? वो 1 बजे से कहाँ नहीं जा रहा होगा? So this was all about future perfect continuous tense. I hope that up till now, if you have watched all the videos of the tenses from past indefinite tense till this last video, that is future perfect continuous tense, you might have a lot of understanding about the tenses. You have to go for your practice on and off and continuously, because only in this way you will be able to understand them in a one go. I hope you will like these videos. I would highly appreciate if you want or if you ask any question, please write a text in the comment box. I'll definitely try to reply all of you. I'll be there with my next video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.